Hello students, Namaste. In last class I will discuss about what are the trigonometric ratios and reciprocal relations and standard angles. Today I will go to discussing about the trigonometric identities. So mainly in the trigonometry there are three identities is there, is it? What are the trigonometric identities are main? This one is sine square of an angle plus cos square of an angle, that is equal to what? 1. That means what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Theta is nothing but what? Measurement of an angle. So sine square of an angle and cos square of an angle always is equal to what? 1. But how to remember? Just you substitute theta for any one value. Prove that sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Here sine square 30 is also written as what? Sine 30 whole square plus cos square 30 degree is also written as what? Cos 30 whole square. Sine 30. What is the value of sine 30 according to table? Just is here 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Sine 30 is what? In the second finger, that is sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. Plus cos 30 is in the reverse order. That is 0, 30. For cos, that is the 0, that is 30. What is this value? This value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Now squaring this. 1 by 2 whole square is what? 1 by 4. Plus root 3 by 2 whole square is what? 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is how much? 1. Just don't take the LCM, just easily add it. 1/4 and 3/4 is always is equal to how much? 1. See here, sine square of an angle and cos square of the same angle is always is equal to what? 1. But sine square 30 plus cos square 45 degree is not equal to 1. See here, the value is here 30 degree. Here, the value is 45 degree. Both the values of the sine square and cos square of the angles must be same. Then only that value must be equal to what? 1. Okay, next. This sine square plus cos square is also written is in the different ways. Sine square theta is equal to, suppose this cos square will be transposed to RHS, what happens? 1 minus cos square theta. Is it? Sine square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. Then sine theta is root of 1 minus cos square theta. Don't buy this all those formula, just you remember by using this formula how to construct the remaining formulas. Is it? So sine square is equal to 1 minus cos square. What is the cos square minus 1? Suppose a minus b is equal to 2. Then what is the b minus a? Yes, minus 2. Is it? Similarly, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. Cos square theta minus 1 is equal to what happens? Minus sine square. This is the application. Just applications is very important in the mathematics. All of you buy this formula: sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square. But how to apply this formula is in the next upcoming problems. Here, 1 minus cos square, sine square. Sine square is equal to 1 minus cos square. Sine is equal to root of 1 minus cos square. Cos square minus 1 is equal to what happens? Minus sine square theta. Is it now? See this one. Next also, sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Sine square is equal to 1 minus cos square. Then cos square theta. Now we transfer sine square to RHS. 1 minus sine square. Cos square theta is equal to what? 1 minus sine square. Similarly, cos theta is equal to what? Root of 1 minus sine square theta. Same thing. Sine square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Minus cos square theta. See. Just one identity, sine square plus cos square is equal to, by using this here, how to construct remaining formulas. It's not a formulas, how to apply this formula for this upcoming problems. Okay. So here first identity is sine square plus cos square of an angle is equal to 1. Next, second identity is 1 plus tan square of an angle is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta, secant square theta. So how to build this formula by using other ways is secant square, tan square can be transposed to RHS, minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. Next, this also, tan square minus secant square is equal to what happens? Minus 1. Is it? A minus b is equal to 1. B minus a is equal to minus 1. Just multiply the sign minus, then the RHS is also minus 1. Next, one more identity, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Next, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to what? 1. See here, just you transfer cot square to RHS. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Then cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to what happens? Minus 1. See here, by using 1 plus tan square, the remaining formula. Also this formula secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, secant is equal to root of 1 plus tan square. Just write down all those formulas. Just main formulas are what? What are the main formula? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. These are the first identity. Second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Next, third identity is what? 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square theta. These are the main three identities for the trigonometric identities. After this, suppose by using all those identities, how to this one solve the problems not only for theta. Suppose this formula is also written is in the form of the other than theta. 1 plus tan square 30. 1 plus tan square 30. How to solve this problem is 1 plus tan square 30, that is 1 is 1, tan square 30 is also written as what? Tan 30 whole square. Tan 30 whole square. 1 plus, what is the tan 30 value? What is the tan 30? Tan 30 means what? Sin 30 by cos 30. This is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 for the sin values. Cos values is what? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So here tan 30 means what? Sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 is what? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. So that whole square, cancel this. 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square is what? 1 by 3. That answer is 4 by 3. Answer is what? 4 by 3. Just is equal to what? Secant square 30. What is the secant 30 is what? Cos 30. Reciprocal of cos 30. What is the cos 30 is? Root 3 by 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square becomes what? 4 by 3. See here? Just remember formula like that. Don't write that all those formulas. Just write and how to construct the formulas. By using these formulas, that means the trigonometric ratios, reciprocal relation, quotient form and standard angles and this one identities. By using all these formulas, more than 45 to 50 formulas, by using these formulas, just you solve some problems. See here, first one of the basic problem is, suppose, see here like that, if sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, find all other trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Just you observe this formula. If sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, find other trigonometric ratios. See here, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now, how to find out other trigonometric ratios? This problem can be solved. There are two ways. One of the method is in your 10th standard method is, sir, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Thus, basic formula is opposite by what? Hypotenuse. So, consider right angle triangle. Consider what? Right angle triangle. ABC. Suppose that theta is considered anyone, there is 90 degree, either A or C are considered as theta. That theta opposite is called as what? Opposite side. That BC is adjacent, this is hypotenuse, 90 degree opposite is 3 is and 5 hypotenuse. Just remaining this side by using the Pythagorean triplet. The square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. 5 square minus 3 square, that is 16. 16 is root is 4. As other trigonometric ratios like that, cos of an angle, cos theta. What is the cos theta is? Adjacent by hypotenuse, 4 by 5. The tan of an angle, tan theta is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent or sin theta by cos theta. 5 cancel, 3 by 4. Otherwise, opposite by adjacent. Like that. Cosec theta. What is the cosec theta is? Hypotenuse by reciprocal of sine or hypotenuse by opposite. That is 5 by 3. Secant theta is equal to reciprocal of cos 5 by 4 or hypotenuse by adjacent 5 by 4. Cot of an angle, cot theta. What is the cot theta is? Reciprocal of tan theta 3 by 4 or 4 by 3. Okay, now these are one of the basic formula for the trigonometric of this one, the ratios. Now further in the same way, just we will discuss about the for ratios also, trigonometric ratios problems and identity problems that will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.